Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English Practice with Selim Reza. Dear viewers, today I have come to a place uh, that is very important to us, important to the people of Kajipur especially, and I am very interested to inform you that the place is Ratankandi Hat. Ratankandi Hat, uh, that is one of the most important hearts in Bangladesh. Dear viewers, you are now watching the scenery of this heart. Dear viewers, now you are looking the northwestern side of the heart through the road. The people especially entered the heart from the western region. Dear viewers, people about 50 villages come to this heart on Wednesday because this heart sits once in a week. It is a famous heart in Sirazganj district for buying and selling cows, goats, etc. And dear viewers, this heart is also famous for different things, different sites. This heart is very near to the river Jamuna. So people from Chor area of Jamuna also come to this heart and they buy and sell their essential commodities. Dear viewers, this heart is a special place for the people living around the heart area. You are watching some small construction rooms for the sitting of the shopkeepers for selling different items in their heart. Dear viewers, as you know that we are practicing English by the description of different places and things. Now you can see two rooms or construction where meats are sold, and in this place now you are looking at open space. Here fish sellers sit and sell fish, different fishes, and fishes of fishes of rivers, ponds, and fishes of canals, and cultivated fishes are available in this heart. And dear viewers, you know that in every heart of Bangladesh, big tree, banyan tree and other trees are common thing for the protection of the people in heart. And now you can see a banyan tree that is important feature of this heart. Dear viewers, now you can see the mosque in this heart. People come here and also pray their salah. Dear viewers, I hope that you are getting many information about this very famous Ratankandi Hat in Kajipur. And one thing I like to share with you that I also try to come to this hut every week. People of this area are very happy because they can buy and sell their different things. Especially they can buy different things uh, with cheap rate. Dear viewers, you are watching another banyan tree, and it is a common feature of hearts in Bangladesh. Any heart is related to the life of the people of Bangladesh, you know. Dear viewers, this Ratan Gandhi Haat is contributing a lot in the life of the people of this area. People from other districts also come to buy and sell their product, especially some businessmen from far away areas, even from the capital city Dhaka, they come here to sell their product, to buy their product. So, dear viewers, I hope again when the uh, heart is active on Wednesday, in a Wednesday I will make another video inshallah, and you will then understand how crowded the heart is, and it is overcrowded because lakhs of people come to this heart to buy their product. Dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed my video about Ratan Gandhi Haat of Kajipur, and you will make comments and subscribe my channel inshallah, and you will get more and more videos about other place or things of Bangladesh inshallah. Thank you very much.